In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Go High Level for contractors. We're going to walk through how to set up a sub-account specifically tailored for a construction or contracting business. If you're an agency owner or a contractor, setting this up for your own company, follow along on your screen and pause whenever you need to. First, once you're logged into your Go High Level agency dashboard, look for the option labeled Sub-Accounts. This is usually found in your main navigation menu. Go ahead and click on Sub-Accounts. This area is where you organize and manage each client or business location separately, which is perfect for contractors who might have multiple branches or services. Next, on the Sub-Accounts page, you'll see a button that says Create Sub-Account. Click on Create Sub-Account. This is how you spin up a dedicated workspace just for that contractor business, keeping its pipelines, contacts, and automations separate from everything else. Now you'll be prompted to choose an industry or search for a type of business. In the search bar, type in construction. This helps Go High Level suggest templates and default settings that are more relevant to contractors, like fields for job sites, project details, and similar information. Even if the contractor does remodeling, roofing, or other trades, construction is usually the best match here. Once you see construction come up as an option, select it, and then click on Select and Continue. This confirms that you want to use that industry profile. Taking this step will give you a better starting point, so you're not building everything from scratch. On the next screen, you'll see different ways to add the new sub-account. Choose the option that says Add Manually. Click on Add Manually. This means you're going to type in the business information yourself, which gives you full control and ensures everything is accurate. Now fill in all the details for the contractor's business. This usually includes the business name, website if they have one, main address, and contact information. Take your time here. Make sure the email and phone number you enter are the ones the business actually uses to talk with leads and customers, because Go High Level will use those for notifications and messages. Double check spelling and numbers before you continue. Clean, correct data at this stage will save you a lot of headaches later. When everything looks good, scroll down and click on Add Sub-Account. This finalizes the creation of the new contractor account. Go High Level will now generate the sub-account, and you'll be able to go into it to set up pipelines, calendars, automations, and campaigns specifically for that construction business.